Yo, what's going on, guys? I figured I'd go ahead and get you guys this bike video going. Yeah, if you're wanting to start to build your Ninja 400, the parts are out there. I'm not going to say all of them are, but we make it work, you know. So I'm going to start off up here, actually, at the handbrake. I got the HC1 handbrake, as you can see right there. It's Magura. Super bitey, I'm not going to lie. Almost too much for this kind of bike, but to me it's perfect. It's kind of what I need, is more braking power. Move around to here to the cut windscreen. We cut the windscreen so we can do high chair, so we can put our legs over the bars and yeah, do stunts without the visor getting in the way. So that's why you see this guy's cut. Got the Dank Wheelie block off plate. Shout out Dank Wheelie. Moving down, we got the Impact Tech cage. I recommend Impact Tech with just about anything. They're pretty good, pretty high quality. The only thing I don't like, and you'd have to grind it down, is this little sharp piece right here. Don't know if that's what hit my leg or not, but yeah, it's not fun. So moving down, we got the slip-on exhaust. We got the Leo vents. I listened to a lot of videos and this one just sounded the best, you know. Moving back here, we got the sub cage. This is also Impact Tech. Yeah, it's a great sub cage. You can see back here, support bar, and it's fully adjustable. You can change these, you can change this. It's fully adjustable to kind of get it where you want it. Moving back here, we got the tank. So I prefabbed this tank myself. I just cut the lip, you know, folded some metal down and made my lip. You guys don't have to do that right away. It's kind of optional. You can send it in. I just went with the cheaper route, you know. Moving down here, we got the 48 tooth rear sprocket, and that's just going to make it 10 times easier coming up, keeping it up. Just a lot more torque down low, which you need. I did the hole in my seat myself. It works fine. Most people use staplers, but I didn't want the chaos of stapling a million times, so I used these screws with washers on them to just screw it in, and it hasn't moved an inch, so I'm pleased with it. Yeah, my foot brake is down right now. I don't know if any of you guys have known, but my foot brake master blew, so this thing here just kind of blew up on me, so it has air coming out of it. So right now I'm just running my handbrake line straight to the rear caliper. See, that's why this isn't on. I don't recommend this, and a lot of people won't recommend this, but it works for the time being. And yeah, I just haven't got the dual caliper set up yet. That's basically the only thing I need to finish this build: the rear caliper bracket and another caliper. One more thing before I get out of here, guys. The handlebars, a lot of people have been asking me about the handlebars. You honestly don't need clip-ons for this bike. It's a personal preference for me, but you'll realize once you do it that it feels just like the regular clip-ons because of the natural seating position and the natural handlebar position that the 400 sits in. It's not a super sport, you know, you're not going to be hunched over naturally. So once you turn these bars out, it pretty much sets it up, you know. It's where you want it. You just... But yeah, man, that about sums it up, you know. Super easy to build. Just make sure you find a good handbrake that'll fit you. Nice RSC clutch. As you can see here, it's a 2-finger clutch. I recommend the 1. You know, I didn't realize before I bought it, but I definitely recommend the 1-finger clutch there. And yeah, I think that's about all we got on here. Got the stock tail light still. So nothing special, guys. Nothing special. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more. Yeah, that's my baby. Later, guys.